Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl host Nalaltia and I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna make a chocolate cream. So sit back, relax and enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need a half cup of margarine, 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 500 grams of icing sugar and a quarter cup of milk. So the first method, you're going to add a half cup of margarine in a bowl and beat with a hand mixer till fluffy and soft, as you can see on what I'm doing in the video. You're going to beat it for about 5 to 10 minutes until you are done. After 5 minutes, when the margarine has turned white and has become fluffy and soft, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Then you're going to mix with a hand mixer till everything is well combined. Use your silicone spoon to mix it to see if it's ready. Then you're going to add icing sugar little by little while mixing till soft. You're going to add the icing sugar little by little until it's done. If the cream is dry, add a little of milk to make it softer as you continue to add the icing until it's done. If it's dry and stiff, add margarine and milk, or you can add unsalted butter and whipping cream to make it more nice. But if you don't have all the ingredients, it's not a must. You're going to use only milk in the meantime. And our plain vanilla buttercream is ready. I'm going to use a silicone spatula to mix it. This is how my vanilla buttercream turned out. As you can see, it's soft and fluffy. When making colors in cream, first you're going to make a vanilla or plain cream. So if you need different colors, you're going to 2 drops of liquid or 2 drops of jelly colors. But since we're making a chocolate cream, you're going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder to change the appearance of the cream. Then beat with a hand mixer to mix everything well together. After the cream is ready, you're going to use your silicone spatula to mix your chocolate cream, and you can see my chocolate cream is ready. You can use the cream to decorate your cake in biscuits or anything you'd prefer. And I'm going to place in the cream into the piping bag and decorate, as you can see in the video. And my chocolate cream is ready. As you can see in the video, it's easy. You can try it at home. You can give me your feedback on my Instagram page or tag me. Share it with your friends, to your loved ones, neighbors and everyone. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notification bell so that you don't miss or you can be notified when I post my videos, and comment down below after you are done what you think about this video. You can follow me on my Instagram page, or you can ask me questions on the comment section or on my private account laltias_pastry. And thank you guys, and bye.